Member for Westlands.
It was a heated afternoon session at the National Assembly as members of Parliament questioned a recent report by Infotrack ranking members of Parliament as per their performance. The heated debate was raised by Suba North Member of Parliament Millie Odhiambo, who was ranked at position 272 out of 290 members of Parliament, accusing Infotrack Director Angela Ambitho of trying to settle political scores through the report.
I will not let her go. Even the ones who are ranking me number one, I do not want to be ranked. I know what my position is. Don't rank me. I don't need your rankings. And Mr. Speaker, I think we need to tell people like Infotrack, if we know that coronavirus has affected businesses, but she is not going to use us as commodities to make money, as members of Parliament, commodities to make money.
Towards the election, certain period. But I think this House, even the Committee on Education, should call Infotrack because their integrity today is in question. They should come and clear. And those who are number 1 to 20 must tell us how they were number 1 to 20, what they have paid.
However, members of Parliament have said there is need for proper legislation on the research done on them.
This thing is going to be nice. I said, I'longea vizuri, I will speak to you. So can you send me what will come after I've spoken? I was put at 80%. Now when it came out, I didn't talk and I did not produce anything, Honorable Speaker. When I didn't, they have put me at something like number 300.
Much as it's affecting members here today, we are 2 years into a general election. And there will be all manner of opinion polls coming up. And if we don't guide the country, which is our responsibility, we are going to plunge this country into chaos through all manner of purported research showing the feelings of Kenya are.
Emuhaya Member of Parliament Omboko Milemba was ranked the best performer, while his Isiolo South counterpart Abdi Tepo was ranked the last.
I think what we need to focus on is how do we ensure that we have authentic and defendable research. That's what we need to do. And even as we do that, let's measure, let's have tempered language and focus on that law.
And I don't think as Kenyans we should allow anybody to rent sick through such a rubbish studies. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
In view of what MPs are today, how about if it's in a political environment that the election is forthcoming? Honorable Speaker, this is wrong, and this House should regulate on how research is done, on how matters of comparison are going to be done in the country.
If you are going to do some samples, they must have a bearing on those general functions of a member of Parliament.
The report was released on Sunday. Elizabeth Mutuku, TV47 Nairobi.